The human mind is an infinite wonder. It has the power to transmute your inner desires into their physical counterparts once focused. What the mind can conceive, you can achieve, just as long as you have the inner belief and willpower to back it. For example, take the case of where cancer patients were given placebo pills. These pills were just plain old pills that have absolutely no healing capabilities whatsoever. So what? How did they get well? The healing power came from their thoughts. They were told that these pills contain the highest amounts of cancer-fighting ingredients which can effectively cure them in just a matter of months. So the point here is, they naturally assumed in their mind that if they took this pill it would make them better and that their health will be restored. Do you see how powerful your mind can be? They simply registered it in their minds that these pills would cure them of their illnesses, and in the process, the belief embedded within their subconscious mind became a reality. This is just one example of the superpowers hidden within your mind. So, now that I have your attention, you're probably asking yourself this question: how can I use my mind to achieve my dreams? Well, one of the most effective ways is to use the as-if principle. And what I mean by that is, act as if you are the person you want to be. Act as if you are already possess whatever it is you have longed for. Simply put, think, act and feel like you've already accomplished what you have dreamed about all your life. This principle is a very powerful principle if you simply believe. And you'll be much closer to your goal if you're constantly intact with your objectives. It's okay to be obsessed with your dreams. It doesn't mean that if you want to be Superman you'll be able to fly out of a window and into outer space. That would be crazy. I'm simply saying, do what needs to be done. Take action on your dreams. Let your visions encourage and motivate you. The problem with people in today's world is that they are too preoccupied with worries, anxieties, and negative emotions. As a result of this, people are adversely affecting their state of health. White lies unfortunately have become prevalent nowadays in order to ease the burdens or to persuade others to do things that they thought are unattainable. A famous person once said, "Whenever you think you can or you can't, you're right. If you think you are poor, then you are, unless you properly condition your thoughts to a positive mindset." I know it's hard to think rich if your environment is not conducive to such way of thinking. Use your imagination and visualize in your head that your house is a mansion and your old car is a Porsche. Well, I think you get the picture. There is absolutely no limit to what the mind can achieve, but you have to combine belief, willpower, and action with positive thinking in order to achieve your inner desires.